I hear a helicopter somewhere over here. Somewhere over there. Camera says I'm panning too fast. I'm panning too fast. Somewhere. What is it, in stealth mode? Well, it's not exactly in stealth mode, but can't see it. It's blending in the sky. They could put a helicopter on whisper mode. Copperfield flying over the Grand Canyon. There's wires and there's a helicopter up in the air. They don't aim straight up. If you watch anybody levitating, they don't aim straight up. I mean, they get close. They get close up at Criss Angel or Copperfield or Doug Henning, like that, or closer, and zoom away a little bit, maybe over here, and he's floating, Doug Henning style, like in the Genie magazine. It has a little cartoon. Oh, he's got that Doug Henning complex. It was a joke in the Genie magazine a long time ago. Bob Schofield let me have a whole bunch of Genie magazines, all that stuff. Oh, it's fall weather. But when I moved back to the Stories house, I only could pick one. So I just picked the one with the Learjet information. Okay, see, if the camera would aim way up there, you would see a helicopter and whisper mode going across. Plus, you got the music playing. That would help drown out the helicopter anyway. I used to have a program of the Learjet, the Grand Canyon, the Great Wall, and all that stuff. Ronald Reagan and all that stuff with Copperfield and all that stuff. But if you look, you can see the wires on it when he's floating over the Grand Canyon. Anyway, that was the nice souvenir book I got at Chrysler Hall long time ago. When me and Tommy went, and it was Aunt and his two nephews, Andy and Bobby Story, at Christ Hall in Norfolk, Virginia. And Junior Spinia overheard while I was trying to look for it. She took me right to it. I said, thanks. I said, are you a Christian? Yeah, how'd you guess? I had a hunch. And then Tommy wanted to be in the picture. She helped in that too. She said, show me how to work the camera. So Tommy showed her how to work the camera, and Tommy got a picture with his two nephews, Andy and Bobby Story, outside the theater of Chrysler Hall. You know, inside the building, but not in the place where Copperfield and Joni Spinia and all them performed, if you know what I'm getting at.